Ryan from C6 Construction. We're here today to introduce you to a solution to some of the issues you just saw. Our proposal is an eco-village that encourages a close community and incorporates social housing.
The average UK utility bill is over £1,200 and the rates are only going to increase. There is real demand and opportunity for profit in housing that offers lower running costs and a minimal environmental impact. This is backed up by increasingly stringent sustainability requirements from the government.
Our multidisciplinary team is dedicated and talented, and we strive to meet the needs of our stakeholders. Let's go meet the team.
Despite being a small company of only 6 engineers, our team has the diversity and the broad set of skills required to undertake a project of this magnitude. First, let me introduce Dan Troughton, our project manager. His wealth of experience and maturity make him the ideal leader of this group. His practicality will make sure our project always remains feasible and to plan. David Tucker has the important role of maintaining the sustainability of the development. His patience will allow him to always see the bigger picture. He also has the role of overseeing report writing. Joe Mitchell will handle all mechanical engineering aspects of our project. His comprehensive knowledge of this field and his attention to detail will make sure there are no technical errors in our development. Robert Ashton is a fantastic all-rounder who excels at both mathematics and research. He will liaise with Daniel and David over the village design. Robert strives to get things done as efficiently as possible to prevent delays in project completion. Oleg is our talented CAD manager. Using his vast knowledge of many CAD softwares, he will turn our ideas into complex designs and eye-catching animations. His technical knowledge of structural analysis means his models won't just look nice, they'll be structurally sound. Finally, we get to myself. I act as the group's spokesman and will interact directly with our stakeholders, whilst assisting other members in more technical aspects. I also act as the group secretary, working with Dan to ensure the smooth running of the team. We initially proposed to build on a disused landfill, but it was not a viable location due to the period of time it was unused for. It is however near our proposed location, and so other uses may be possible. On our final site, we proposed circular regions of houses to incorporate communal areas in the centre. The houses were offset to prevent houses looking directly opposite each other, but the space between houses was limited and clustered. So what have we come up with? Well, our team has identified a comprehensive list of stakeholders relative to Chelson Meadow. It is from this list that we have extracted the wants and needs that we are expected to provide. The village is to be located just outside of Plymouth city centre on a 200-acre plot of developable brownfield land. Here you can see our eco-village proposal. The site can potentially accommodate up to 1,300 homes, including detached houses and affordable terraced houses and flats. All homes will be built minimum to Sustainable Homes Code 4 and up to Code 6. Most homes will feature solar panels on their rooftops. The position of the houses and the shapes of the rooftops have been chosen to provide maximum energy output. Although the site might look quite large, all the houses are within a 10-minute walk of the centre. As you can now see, the footpaths connect east and west sides of the village and go through the centre of the village. The roads are curved in order to avoid cars speeding and provide extra safety for pedestrians. The overall layout of the village is aimed at community development, allowing neighbours to spend time together in parks and gardens that are located close by. The village centre will accommodate shops and offices, as well as larger structures like community and recreational centres. A nursery and medical facility will also be located here, including a general practice, dental practice and a pharmacy. Primary and secondary schools will be located northwest from the village centre. The former landfill site located north from here will be used by the schools to accommodate sports and playing fields. Towards the northeast of the site there is another, smaller quarry. This is where a warehouse will be constructed. The warehouse will be used to manufacture elements and blocks for the housing and reduce construction time and increase efficiency. Unlike similar factories, we plan to use this factory to also produce windows for the housing. We plan to provide district heating powered by a biomass incinerator. As of yet, this has not been included in the 3D model. This is a drive-through of our village which has been designed to show you the practicality of our layout. Raised roundabouts have been used to help avoid cars speeding throughout the community, and on the roads where speeding could potentially be a problem, such as this one, we have avoided placing houses alongside the road, and we have incorporated a curved road shape in order to reduce the risk. The roads will be constructed of sustainable urban drainage systems, which will help towards water management requirements we aim to meet. It can be seen that each house has room for car parking. So let's park up and have a look around. We will provide a large range of housing, including 3 or 4 bedroom detached houses, 2 or 3 bedroom terraced houses, and 1 or 2 bedroom flats. This allows us to provide eco-friendly homes, but also incorporate affordable housing. All the homes are to be built based on a SIPS modular timber construction and will comply with a minimum code for sustainable building level 4. This means it must be 44% more energy efficient than a home built to 2006 building regulations, and must also be highly sustainable in various categories such as water, waste, and ecology. The interior of the homes will be kept open plan, allowing for greater use of low energy heating and natural light penetration throughout. The floors and ceilings are to be constructed using dense materials, allowing for higher levels of heat absorption through the day, yet releasing the trapped heat when needed. We have produced a Gantt chart detailing the construction timescale for the village. If commencement is due in late 2016, the groundworks will be completed by May 2017. The technical design stage is due to be completed by August 2017, followed by the tendering for village construction by early 2018. From here, site preparation and construction of the eco-village, including all buildings and services, are due to take place over an 8-year period, finally being completed by June 2026. For the cost of the project, we have estimated separate components as shown in this table. This creates a combined total cost of just under £235 million. So what are our plans for producing a detailed design? Our plans offer a flexible opportunity to further develop ideas, in which investors are in a unique position to contribute and influence the overall design of the project. The design stage will produce a project report, which will detail the full design of the village, and a project video, which will be used in conjunction with the final presentation of our proposal. The costs associated with completing the design stage have been calculated using the following table of work. Using the following cost summary, the total funding we require to complete the project is calculated to be £119,850. So what timescales can we expect to complete this detailed design in? We aim to complete the detailed design for both elements by the 11th of February, allowing us to complete the project report by an expected date of the 28th of March. We expect the project video to be completed by the 18th of April, ready for the final presentation on the 22nd of April 2014. The risks associated with the design stage have been managed through the use of a risk assessment. This assessment includes steps to reduce risk probability and mitigate risk impact. Important risks include injury or illness of team members, tasks running over schedule, or work loss through device damage or other means. To conclude, our proposal is to take disused land and transform it into a sustainable solution to Plymouth's housing need, unsustainable living, and community fragmentation.